Welcome to my YouTube channel Gen 4 Lifestyle and Education, where I explore the world of game development using some of the top game engines available today. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. On this channel, I'll be using a variety of game engines to create all sorts of games, from simple 2D mobile games to complex 3D games for consoles and PC. I'll be showcasing the unique features and capabilities of each engine, and providing tutorials and walkthroughs to help you get started. First up, I'll be exploring Unity, the popular game engine known for its ease of use and versatility. Unity is a popular game engine that's known for its ease of use and versatility. It's used to create a wide range of games, from 2D mobile games to complex 3D games for consoles and PC. Unity has a large community of developers and users, so there are plenty of tutorials and resources available online. Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is another popular game engine that's known for its powerful graphics and physics capabilities. It's used to create high-end 3D games for consoles and PC. While it can be more complex than Unity, it has a large community and plenty of resources available online. Godot. Godot is a free and open-source game engine that's gaining popularity in the game development community. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great option for beginners. It supports 2D and 3D graphics, and has a built-in scripting language for game logic. Ultimately, the best game engine for your YouTube channel will depend on your specific needs and goals. Consider the type of games you want to create, your level of experience with game development, and the resources available to you when making your decision.